Welcome to the deep dive. We're pulling back the curtain today on some source material, looking at transformative insights.
Oh, that's right.
And today, we're tackling something I think almost everyone finds frustrating. Those common group texting admin headaches.
Oh, yeah. Definitely felt those.
Our deep dive uses material exploring solutions from Marvet Mobile Communication Solutions, specifically looking at their AI and ML mobile app.
Right. And our mission for you today, it's pretty clear. We're not just going to list problems.
No.
We're digging into 9 very specific challenges, stuff anyone managing group comms faces, and we'll reveal how, cutting-edge tech is solving these things that felt, well, inevitable before.
Okay.
Get ready for some, aha moments, especially if you've ever been tearing your hair out over these issues.
Absolutely. Okay, let's unpack the very first one. It's fundamental, really, just making sure your messages, actually get there.
Uh-huh.
Have you ever sent a text and just wondered, did it even land? It's a real anxiety.
That's low deliverability. Challenge number 1. And it's a real thing. Carrier filters, spam flags.
Yeah.
They can block perfectly good messages.
Right. So what's the fix?
Well, what's fascinating here is Marvet's proposed solution enforced 20-second send intervals plus carrier-optimized routing.
20 seconds. That sounds slow, but there's more to it.
Exactly. It's not just about slowing down. It's about intelligently mimicking how a person would send texts, to get around those aggressive filters.
Ah, okay.
It's actually a pretty clever workaround for what's becoming a tougher messaging environment. They claim it boosts deliverability by up to 95%.
95%? Wow. So carrier-optimized routing, they're sort of playing chess with the phone networks. That's much more advanced than just hit and send.
Pretty much.
And, okay, once it gets through, what about making sure it's, perfect? We've all sent texts with typos. That feeling after you hit send.
Oh, the agony. Yeah, that's typos and grammar errors. Challenge 2. Think te and receive. We've all done it. So the solution they mention is real-time typo correction and grammar checks.
Before sending.
Yes, before you hit send. Automated fixes for grammar and spelling. It's about catching those little things that, can make you look bad.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, moving from the words themselves to organizing people. Challenge 3, contact chaos. Managing group lists can be a nightmare.
It really can. Just keeping things organized, it's tough. Their solution is something called a group vault.
Group vault.
Yeah, it saves, tags, and syncs contacts. It sounds like it goes beyond just a list. It tries to automatically categorize and update groups, which could save, hours of sorting things manually, making sure the right message gets to the right group.
That sounds amazing for anyone juggling multiple teams or communities. Which leads us nicely into challenge 4, one-size-fits-all messaging. Generic texts. They just don't work very well, do they?
No, they really tank engagement. Feels so impersonal. So what's really insightful here is the shift towards AI-powered templates and rephrasing. The goal is to deliver hyper-personalized texts at scale.
Hyper-personalized? Like what?
Well, imagine instead of, don't miss our sale, you get, hi, Sarah, get 20% off shoes in your size. It's not just mail merge.
Right.
It's more about the AI understanding context, maybe even learning what works, adapting how it says things to feel more authentic, turning a blast into more of a conversation.
That sounds powerful. But does it risk feeling a bit creepy or too automated? Is there a line?
That's a really important question. The aim shouldn't be intrusive, just relevant, delivering value that feels, natural, which ties into the next one, actually, reply overload.
Oh, the reply all storm. Challenge 5.
Yeah, where everyone sees every single reply. It just becomes chaos.
Total chaos.
The fix mentioned here is AI-powered reply management. Think about the system maybe summarizing threads or filtering noise, maybe even suggesting quick replies to common questions, cutting through the mess.
So, like an intelligent moderator for your group chat. That's interesting.
Exactly.
Okay, shifting gears a bit. Compliance. Challenge 6. Compliance risks. This feels serious. TCPA, GDPR. Big fines are possible, right?
Absolutely. Navigating regulations is, it's essential if you want to communicate legitimately. It's a big deal.
So what's the tech solution?
The fix described is a built-in regulatory compliance toggle switch, plus things like audit-ready logs and auto-unsubscribe links.
Okay.
Basically, making compliance easier, reducing legal risks, and building trust, making it almost effortless.
And then there's one that hits the wallet directly. Challenge 7, expiring text credits. Unused credits just vanishing.
Yeah, that feels like throwing money away, doesn't it? It raises questions about, value and being user-friendly.
So the fix is simple.
Very simple. Text credits never expire. You can roll over balance for future campaigns.
That's huge for budgeting.
Definitely a big plus. Gives you flexibility, ensures you actually use what you pay for.
Makes sense. Okay, nearly there. Challenge 8. Language barriers. Huge hurdle if you have a diverse audience.
Massive hurdle. The fix. AI translations in 40-plus languages. Designed to, as they say, unlock global outreach in seconds.
40 languages is just basic translation.
It aims to be more than that. Context-aware AI, learning communication patterns, trying to get not just the words right, but the cultural tone, too.
Crucial.
Yeah, avoiding those awkward mistakes, fostering real engagement globally.
And finally, challenge 9, something we've all bumped into. Intrusive permissions and ads, apps wanting access to your camera, mic, files.
Yeah, it feels like an overreach sometimes, doesn't it?
Definitely.
The solution here is pretty direct and welcome. Zero access to phone system, files, media, camera, mic, or location. Plus, no annoying ads.
Zero access. How does that work?
Well, it suggests a focus on privacy first, prioritizing user trust and just a clean experience, maybe sacrificing some features that would need that access but gaining user confidence.
Right. A clear trade-off for privacy. Okay. So we've covered 9 specific problems, these real group texting headaches from deliverability to compliance, and the AI or ML solutions designed to fix them.
Yeah, it's quite a list.
It really is. It's amazing how these small-sounding frustrations add up to be such a major pain point for people.
And what's fascinating, I think, is seeing how technology is getting really granular, targeting these specific issues to make communication, smoother, less stressful.
Yeah.
Which brings up an interesting question for you, the listener, to think about. If all these common communication headaches, these little frictions, can be automated away, what happens next? What new opportunities or maybe even new challenges pop up for how we genuinely connect and build communities when the tech handles the grunt work?